Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to edit dark and moody filter using Lightroom Mobile App. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Contrast 20. Highlights -70. Shadows 30. Whites and blacks -20. Next go to curves. And follow these steps. And done. Next go to color. Vibrance 50. Go to color mix. First go to red color, hue 30. Luminance -20. Go to orange. Hue -10. Saturation -46. Luminance 10. Go to yellow. Hue -10. Saturation -70. Next go to green. Hue 40. Saturation -90. Luminance -50. Saturation -90 and luminance -10 for aqua and blue. Saturation -100 for purple and magenta. And done. Next go to Effect. Clarity 30. Dehaze 20. Next go to Details. Sharpening 25. Noise reduction 15. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to other photo. Copy settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more presets.